like the silence had a name. Every word we never finished still remembers how it came. There's a tremor in the timing, like we're slipping out of place. You said wait like it was nothing, like the moment wouldn't break. But your hands were already leaving before I could hesitate. This is the sound of almost breaking through the seams. We were closer than we ever let ourselves believe. This is the sound of almost falling into place. But we never stayed long enough to feel it change. There's a version of us somewhere that didn't let it go, but I can't seem to remember how we made it whole. Every echo comes back different, like it learned to rearrange. Don't say it, don't let it land. If it's real, we won't understand. This is the sound of almost breaking through the seams. We were closer than we ever let ourselves believe. This is the sound of almost falling into place. But we never stayed long enough to feel it change. To feel it change. Outlines of a life we couldn't keep. Every step was just a question. We were scared to let it be. This is the sound of almost. This is the sound of almost. This is the sound of almost tearing us apart. We were closer than we ever dared to call it ours. This is the sound of almost violently too late. We were standing at the edge, but we chose to walk away. We were almost everything, almost never stays.